Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to remove stretch marks and to get rid of stretch mark naturally, guys. With simple ingredients you can prepare a super effective remedy to remove a stretch mark and to get firm skin again and to get rid of this kind of bad luck the stretch mark leave your skin with. And with simple ingredients, guys, we can prepare a super effective remedy. The first thing we will need is 2 teaspoons of fresh yogurt, يعني curd, and then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, يعني شهد, and then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of coffee, and here I'm using instant coffee. Mix the ingredients very well. Once you mix the ingredients and it got to this cream paste, now it's ready to apply it on the stretch marks, guys, and massage the skin with it and leave it to dry out completely. This is amazing, guys. It removes the stretch marks naturally, and you need to massage the skin with it for 5 minutes at least and keep it on the skin until it dries out. Then wash it with warm water, and it's gonna do the magic for you, guys. This removes the stretch marks that caused by pregnancy and by growing, even the stretch marks on legs, on stomach. It's super effective, guys, and it's super helpful.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.